Generally things like right behind the ears, like which is a little bony area called the mastoid process, kind of right in this area for those that can see me. Your SCM muscle attaches right there. Your SCM muscle is this kind of big one that comes from right here. If I can push against it there, you can see that pop out. That's the SCM muscle. It attaches back here on the mastoid. So SCM stands for sternocleidomastoid. So it attaches to your sternum, which is right here in the front, your clavicle, so that's your sternocleido, and then your mastoid back here. So it goes from right here to back here. It's this big chunky guy in your neck, and it helps your neck with rotation and flexion and things. And because it attaches back here, oftentimes when you have issues with the SCM, when this muscle gets really tight, it can cause pain to feel right behind your ear and the mastoid process. It also causes pain in the face, okay, the forehead, into the eyes, the cheek, into the jaw. So sometimes this SCM muscle can cause a lot of stuff around the ear and pressure and things. And so that's one that I frequently get to, but it's a lot of clinicians won't treat it. It's a slippery muscle. It's hard to treat, and it's kind of awkward because you're in the front. There's a lot of vasculature there, so some people don't feel comfortable getting in on it. But that can be it. So a lot of times I find that just by knowing where someone's headache is, you can kind of piece together what to check.